my god, shut up, Tails. Does he ever shut up?
No.
That's a whole...
Nobody shuts up in this game.
Wow, that's some hard combat. Why? Or is that X? That's X. X.
Let's just take you a minute to appreciate these textures on the ground.
Oh, I thought that was Knuckles for a second. Why do you...
Now witness Sonic's best running speeds.
Explore the area.
That's as fast as you can go.
Wait, how do I jump in this mode? Why did you change the jump button?
I didn't.
No, why did they change the jump button? When I was running, it was X. Now it's B. You know, even though this is very slow, it's still like I'm on ice.
You see this frame rate, how jumpy it is?
Oh.
I mean, I know you can't tell the frame rate, but like...
I can kind of see it this one. There is harm in flying out. It means I have to play longer. Wait, can I switch to Tails? I can't.
I think you should be able... No, you can't.
Not yet. Well, let's check out these flying moves. There.
I'm pretty sure, look at those textures on the Cry engine.